Here's another really good van. We just took it in. It's belonged to a good customer of ours. This is a 2012 Honda Odyssey Braunability fold-out conversion, power fold-out conversion with a kneel-down system. This is a 2012 Honda Odyssey EX side entry handicap conversion van. Clean Carfax, very nice clean van. Belonged to one of our customers, has 140,000 miles. Customer was very picky on how he took care of his van. Super nice. Clean Carfax, of course. Everything's working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Van runs and drives excellent. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions about this van. It's got dual side entry doors, all power, everything. Everything works, cold air, heat, good tires, very straight body down the sides, paint's very nice. I'll point out any flaws I can find. You can visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We've been in business 47 years. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. We are a Braunability dealer here in South Florida. We do sell new and used Braunability vans, any conversion vans, wheelchair vans, handicap vehicles. We can't do any adaptive controls if you need hand controls, easy lock, Q lock systems. We install and service all the equipment. If there's anything else you need, particularly on a van, we can help. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. The van is running, as you can see. There's no warning lights on. There's a tire pressure light on. We will take care of that. Q straight tie downs in the floor. Very clean van. It's got the hard rubber floor. I mean, for the budget, this van will do. The interior is really clean. The seats are very nice. It's non-smoking van. These are quick release seats, the front, so you can pull them out if you wanted to sit up front in the chair. It does have 2 keys. Everything does work on the power buttons here or the fob. Really, really nice clean van. Good tires, nice wheels. Again, it's running. I just hit the side buttons here. You could use the door buttons to operate the ramp. You could use the key fob. You could use the button by the door. You could also use the Braunability button that's there on the dash. So, very, very nice clean van. I want you to be able to see everything here with the doors closed. Exterior is a few little chips on the hood. They were touched up by the previous owner. But other than that, it's really, really nice. It's really hard to see. A couple little marks here and there on the running boards. But other than that, the paint and body is very nice on this van. Again, everything's working and running the way it's supposed to. Super clean inside now. As you can see, the seats, condition is very nice. So you can push that button there, operate everything. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. More than happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. That's what we do. We specialize in these vans. Handicap vans, wheelchair vans. I would say the tires are better than 50%, maybe even better than that. Pretty rust-free van. As usual, we try not to buy anything rusty. Overall, this van is all there. For the budget and price, this will serve you very well. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help. Got all your owner's manuals here. Everything. Radio. Things going strong. Do it. Everything works. Got all your storage compartments. Everything is here. The hottest matchups for the upcoming 2024 season. 2 keys. 2 fobs. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Ask for Jeff or Ken.